This is a Quantum Flux 3 puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Benno Baatsen and made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it back together. The disassembling of the puzzle will be quite a challenge. The assembling it back together will be even more challenge, especially if you didn't pay attention on what you were doing when you took the puzzle apart. So it is quite an interesting puzzle to solve both ways. The Quantum Flux 3 is a 3D printed puzzle. It was made using dual color plastic. As you can see, it has a combination of red and black color. If you like the Quantum Flux 3 puzzle or you want to try some other puzzles from the Quantum Flux series, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So we will start. Actually, it is quite difficult to figure out where you have to start. So what you have to do is to push this tiny piece like that, and this part comes out here. Then immediately the other piece drops down and you will be able to move this large part, and another piece drops down, but you don't have to drop it down. You have to move it up and all the way to the right like that. Lift it up to the as much as you can do that. Now move two of these parts to the front, and that's how you remove first two pieces. Then what you have to do is actually to fold back these two parts like that. Then you move them one step forward. Oh, actually you lift this piece up, move them forward and remove them, and that is how you disassemble the Quantum Flux 3 puzzle. Great puzzle, quite difficult to take apart, much more difficult to assemble it back together. You saw how I took it apart. I hope you paid attention on what I was doing, so now it's a challenge for you. Put it back together. And if you like this puzzle and you want to try some other Quantum Flux puzzles or any other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.